is a brute.
There's the big old northern, 27 inch.
Here, look at that, just ate it. Just gulped that rapper. Too big to keep. Look at that thing. It is a tank on the minnow. What, we doubled up on two nice ones. The net was there to catch it. Nice crappie, probably 11 inches.
All right, so this time out, it's gonna be a short video. Really windy, like a windstorm fishing. It was a pretty crazy day. Yeah, as you can see, catching crappies using just a simple setup. A bobber and a minnow. Catching crappies on a backwater lake of the Mississippi River. Hammered them. They love their windy days. They really do. And this is gonna show proof of it. Caught some really nice crappies out there. Enjoy the video of us on the backwater of the Mississippi River using minnows under with a bobber, simple stuff, catching crappies in the boat. It's gonna be a short video. All right, enjoy.
All right, so this time out, we're on a backwater lake going after crappies on a very, very windy day. There's the saying that they do like wind. They'd like that chop in the water. Now, it could be the reason why we did so good. We caught some really nice crappies out there using a simple technique. Right, a bobber and a minnow. We're fishing 2 feet down from the bobber. And this lake, the area we're fishing is mostly all weeds and mud. There might be some timber down there. Enjoy the video of us on the backwater lake on a really windy day, going after crappies and catching some real nice ones too. Just a smidge over 13. Too big to keep. Look at that thing. Wow. "13-incher. There he goes. Boom. Too small. That is a tank on the minnow. Wow. Right, just a smidge right over, or at 9. Just a tank. What is that? So that what? We doubled up on two nice ones. 11 and a half and 11. 12 o'clock. We're running out of minnows. What we got? It's about 11 inches. Both of my poles got a nice crappie on each one. Both of them two were 11 inches. Probably close or right over 10 inches. Another crappie I just caught. "11 crappies, one really nice bluegill." Look at that tank of a bluegill, such a bonus. And that windy bobber going on. Another nice one. Windy. Got only, I think we only got what, two minnows or one minnow left. The net was there to catch it. Nice crappie, probably 11 inches. Let's see here. Yep, 11 inches. Last crappie of the day for me. Well, maybe not. I still got one more pole out there with a minnow. Alright, talk about what I'm using here. Two different reels.
Here's the crossfire, my rod, and then can't really see it because it doesn't want to focus. There you go. See, now I use them type of hooks that don't have no bar along the hook. It helps the minnow stay alive longer. 2 small little slip shot sinkers, and from the hook to the stick bobber I'm going 2 feet. And then the line I'm using on both of my poles are 6-pound sufix fishing line. And then I'm going to show you my other rod here. So that's my other rod right there, or reel, and then now my rod, same line, and then that bobber, and just simple fishing with a minnow, you know, with a bobber.